Hey guys, how's it going? So I just thought I'd do like a quick rundown of all my tools and stuff that I got. Well, not necessarily tools. Well, that was my tool chest. So this was the first thing I collected, was this whole tool chest right here. I bought it on sale up at Canadian Tire, and well, Canadian Tire is like a store in Canada. But yeah, I got this. It was like advertised for $1,200, and I got it for like on sale, 50% off for like $700. About I started getting a lot of the stuff back in early 2000s. So that's when I started collecting all my tools. Pretty good chest here. I mean, they keep all my odds and ends in here. Okay, yeah, so in here I just keep a lot of random stuff. This is like a really old tool set of my dad's. It's a Husky tool set. It's probably like about 40 years old at least, I'd say, give or take, if not older. It's got its own original case and a lot of the original sockets there still, and a couple extensions, like the longer extension, two short extensions, and it's got a Johnson bar there, two Johnson bars actually. And just keep a lot of random bits in here. I got some punches and stuff, wire brushes, and keep a lot of just extra bolts and stuff like that. A lot of extra bolts actually. I can always use, yeah, it's like my random bits. Got them all sorted, well, somewhat sorted out at least anyways. Because you always need a friggin' bolt or a nut for something at least anyway. But yeah, so anyways, this was a pretty good score, this one, for the price I got it for. So yeah, about $700 roughly. It was like a $1,200 outfit. But anyways, we'll move on here. So this I got a few years ago back. It was one of my uncles. He passed away a long time ago, but my aunt had it in the house, so she ended up giving that to me for free. So it's still something that's going to be filled up yet. But so again, these here I purchased up at Canadian Tire again. Got them on like a sale price. This one, I think I bought both of them together for like, it was around, I want to say $637 or something like that. I can't really remember. It was around that price. It was, it's a 37-inch wide cabinet, top and bottom. Obviously, you can separate them. I got a lot of my ratchets in here, all Canadian Tire stuff. Got my long ones and then my stubbies there, so. Up here I got some different like ratcheting style wrenches. I got these ones here too. Boxed in ones there. Like I said, I collected a lot of these tools since, I don't know, the year 2000 and up until a certain point, which I'm glad I did, because I wouldn't want to spend the money nowadays what it would cost to get up for all these tools anyway. So luckily, I'm thankful that I did that. A lot of these tools, I got them on sale too. Canadian Tire usually has pretty good deals on tools. Not saying they're the greatest quality or nothing like that, but they do the job for what I need them to. Just got my gauges, vacuum pressure gauges and stuff in here. I got some more sorting I need to do yet, but all my vice grips in there. Need to get some more of these yet. I want to do some welding in the future, so these are going to come in handy for that. So miscellaneous pliers and stuff. Keep a lot of spare woodworking stuff in here. Just got some chisels in here and stuff like that. That's all my woodworking stuff. So this one here also has like a little table you can work on just to pull it out, which is kind of nice. It's a good feature about this thing here. I try to stay fairly organized with all my sockets. This is all my, what was it, 3/8 drive stuff in here. I got a lot of, pretty much everything I need, like different styles of ratchets and stuff like that. So I try to keep everything of that size, and then I got my 3/4 inch drive, or not 3/4 inch. What is it? 1/2 inch drive, I should say. Keep getting the metrics all mixed up all the time. But yeah, I got my Johnson bar in there, my torque wrench, and my speed handle, and another little smaller Johnson bar, and some heavy duty ratchets there. Like I said, I collected all this stuff from roughly the year 2000 all the way up to 2014, roughly. 2015, 2016 maybe. I think that's when I stopped collecting all my tools. Down here, just all my 1/4 inch stuff there. Just some little random bits and pieces here. I gotta organize this a little bit more yet. Yeah, not too bad really. Got, like I said, all these tools I got for like I got them during like Christmas time and like New Year's and stuff like that. Anytime they had a sale up there, that's when I bought tools. And like I said, I'm thankful that I got all that stuff for half price and what have you. But yeah, lots of good storage in this. Okay, so this here I got for like a screaming deal. When it first came out, the bottom was like $824 or something like that, and then the top was like $624 or something ridiculous. But anyways, somebody bought the bottom piece and then they returned it saying it was damaged, and it wasn't damaged at all actually. And so they put it back on the floor for $200. So I saw it and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna buy that. I'm sure it was kind of like one of those things where, you know, people will try to return something and they'll say it's damaged, and then they'll try and get a friend to go back and buy it later for cheaper. But if that was the case, I just beat them to the punchline anyway. So, but yeah, I got that for $200. And then I think I got this for, it was like, it may have been 200 again or something like that. So what I did with this was I made a top out of a 1/4 inch, what do you call it? MDF, just to put on there so this part here wouldn't scratch up the top of it. So it's sitting on a 1/4 inch MDF. Yeah, another good outfit here. Just kind of got random stuff in this. Use it for some, yeah, just once I get more tools and stuff, I gotta reorganize all this. But yeah, that's the story of that. Good. I mean, they're all good for storage. I mean, it's good. It's good that I got them anyway for like half the price of what you would have paid for them. You go into Canadian Tire nowadays, and to even look at this stuff now, like the metal is so cheap on it, and it's just like twice the price or like quadruple the price, if not anything. But there's no way in heck that you'd be able to buy this stuff nowadays for the price I got it for anyway. Okay, so here's some of the ratchets I got here. So this one here, it kind of stretches, just goes up just like that. Good for like reaching into tight areas. This is a Canadian Tire Maximum Mastercraft ratchet. So yeah, not bad for that. You can also you can flip this little switch in here and just bend the end on it there. Pretty handy outfit whenever you need to use something like that. You just pull down on this and it slides back in. So here's another one I got. A little bit more money. This one was made by like an off-brand company. I think this was like $40-50 or something like that. So this one you can, if you push back this button here, you can rotate the end of it, just like that, right around. It's just got your normal ratcheting left and right. So, and to get your socket off, you just push that button there. So, pretty handy outfit. If you had to get like into an awkward spot or something like that, maybe just lock it in, just like that, right? So yeah, not a bad tool. I haven't really used it that much yet. I should use it more often really, but. Okay, so this right here, this whole unit here, I actually ended up building this myself. I started out making a 2x4 frame, and then I put casters on it, and then I just built the sides and stuff like that and made it into like a rolling workbench. So not a bad outfit. Just kind of kept adding to it eventually, and it just came out to be what it was. Put a top on it there. Had some spare wood laying around, and yeah, made the top for it there. So same thing with this thing here. This whole outfit there, made that myself. Laid the 2x4s on the ground there, and then kind of measured everything and just kind of built it from scratch. Yeah, I keep all my heavy duty jacks down there. I bought a lot of stuff back in the day because I knew eventually down the road I'd probably be tackling engine swaps and stuff like that. So I went out and bought a set of 4 heavy duty 6-ton jacks. And plus I got my cherry picker out in the shed there. I got that. And then the 2, you guys know about the 2 engine stands I got there. I got the LS motors on them. So yeah, I went ahead and bought a lot of that stuff years and years ago while I could get it pretty cheap. So like I said, glad that I did, because I wouldn't want to buy this stuff these days. So and yeah, that's just the kind of the grand tour of everything in here. I think I don't think I really missed anything. I don't know if I missed anything or not. A lot of extra parts kicking around here. Small blocks still. That's a 3970010 small block 4-bolt main, and that's an 80 to 85 4-bolt main. So that's probably the best shape one I got, actually. And I got one down in here. You can hardly see it. It's another 80 to 85 small block 4-bolt main again. So, yep. Kind of a pack rat when it comes to, well, at least one of these days, once I get my shop, I'll be able to fill it out properly with all this stuff. So yeah, alright guys, check you later.